To remove system memory, first remove the cable cover, the stand, and the rear cover. To remove the SO-DIMM memory module, gently pull out on the retaining lever on each side of the module. The module will pop up from its socket. Pull the memory module out of the socket. There is a small notch on one side of each SO-DIMM memory module that fits over a small tab on one side of each SO-DIMM socket. To replace an SO-DIMM memory module, angle the module to about 30 degrees into its socket, engaging the notch into its socket tab. Press the module down into place until the retaining levers snap into position over the sides of the module.